What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a quick look at how to connect a phone to a 2021 Toyota Highlander using the Bluetooth. So I'm going to be demonstrating this on an iPhone. Other phones would be similar. The first thing we want to do is go into our phone's Bluetooth and just make sure your Bluetooth is on. Now taking a look at our center screen, there's several different ways to get to the screen that we need to, but what I'm going to do is come over here and press the phone button. Now it's showing me the devices that are registered. I'm going to come down here and click Add. Now if we take a look at our phone, we're going to see it pop up as Toyota Highlander. Go ahead and click on that. Now we're going to make sure that this PIN number here matches this PIN number here, and ours does. So on our phone, we'll click Pair. And this is just asking if I want to give it access to my contacts. I'm not going to set any of that up right now. It's connected on our phone. And then we just need to wait for it to finish connecting on the screen. And now we're connected. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.